Ever wish you could quickly clone your Photoshop masterpieces and avoid starting from scratch? In this video, we'll dive into the simple steps of duplicating your Photoshop projects, perfect for creating variations, backing up your work, or simply experimenting without ruining your original file. Let's get started. First, make sure your Photoshop project is fully open, then navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of the screen and click it to initiate the process. Now, from the drop-down menu, you're going to select Save, as it will give you options for the file that's open. A new dialog box will appear. This is where the magic happens. In the Save As window, you'll have the chance to rename your file. Click into the File Name field to begin and type a new name. This is where you can specify change the file name to reflect the changes you're planning to make, or simply to make a backup. Under the Format section, the file type or format will be the same as the original file. You can customize the format. However, we recommend keeping the same format to avoid unexpected image issues. Finally, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the duplicate, maybe a separate folder for backups, and then click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully duplicated your Photoshop project. Now, you have a new working file, while also having a copy of the precious original. By mastering this simple technique, you'll improve your project management, create variations more efficiently, and protect your valuable work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.